Lately, this type of avatar has been going viral everywhere. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a talking AI avatar like this one, and the best part is that it's surprisingly simple and completely free. Let's get started. The first thing we need is an avatar for your video. There are multiple tools available to generate the avatar. You can use Midjourney, Leonardo AI, Lexica Art, or any other image generation tool. I am going to use Fooocus. It's completely free and easy to install. I will provide a link to download it in the description. I have created a prompt which you can use to generate the avatar. Of course, change the prompt to your liking. This prompt should work well in any image generator. Now, change the image number to 10 so you have more images to choose from. Then click on Generate. Give it a minute, and you'll have 10 unique images to choose from. I'm going to select this one right here. I am going to create and upload 50 avatars to a Google Drive folder so you can download and use any of those for free without the need for generating them. I made this, so it's easier for you to follow along. The link for the download is in the description. Before continuing, please subscribe and like the video to support me. It helps me a lot. Now let's focus on a crucial step, removing the mouth from the avatar. To do this, we are going to use Photopea. Drop your avatar, select the Spot Healing Brush tool in the left section, zoom in on the mouth, and erase the mouth. Do it as many times as needed. It's time to export your image. Go to File in the top left corner of Photopea, select Export As, then choose the PNG file format. Name your file and click Save. Now, let's bring the avatar to life using an editing program. I highly recommend CAPCUT for its user-friendliness and the fact that it's free. First, import the mouth video and the avatar mouthless, drag them to the timeline with the mouth over the avatar, move the time bar to the 10-second mark, and crop the mouth video and extend the avatar. I will upload some mouth videos so you can download them. Now select the mouth green screen, then click on Remove BG. Enable Chroma Key, and using the color picker, select the green screen. Increase the intensity to 100 and the shadow to 50. To make it easier to work, increase the player size, rescale the mouth video, and position it where you think it will look good. It's a good idea to play the video to see if you liked it or if it needs further adjustments. The avatar is ready, but let's make it better. For a better experience, you can add effects. Search for the word spark in the effects section. Find the gold sparkles and drag it to the timeline. Reduce the atmosphere to 42 and make it last 10 seconds. For the second effect, search for spectrum, drag it to the timeline and add it twice. I think this effect looks great. Now, for the last effect, search for edge glow, drag it to the top so all the lights in our scene seem more alive. Reduce the glow to 5 so it's not so intense. Review the footage. Awesome. Now export it. Let's take a look at the final result. You can use this method to create faceless videos. I'm constantly exploring new ways to monetize AI-generated content. So if you're interested in more videos like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.